Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You'll start by confirming basics that block store access. Make sure you're signed into a Microsoft account with admin rights and that date and time are accurate. Incorrect time often breaks authentication. Once done, open Start, type WS Reset, and run it as administrator to clear the store cache. This command is fast and can fix many block state issues because it removes corrupted temp data without reinstalling. If it completes, restart the PC to apply changes before moving on. Next, you'll tackle services and app registration, which often cause the block. Start by installing any pending Windows updates and reboot. Updates restore compatibility and fixes. Then open services and ensure background intelligent transfer, Windows Update, and store service are running and set to automatic. These handle downloads and licensing. Once services are healthy, open PowerShell as administrator and re-register the Microsoft Store package. This repairs broken app registrations. After that, reboot again to confirm. Finish by trying the app reset and checking profiles. Go to Settings, Apps, Microsoft Store, and choose Reset. This clears app data without removing the app. If the store still blocks, create a new local user, then convert it to a Microsoft account to determine if the original profile was corrupted. Make sure to test under that account. Troubleshooting tip: if nothing helps, run a network reset and an SFC scan with SFC/Scano to fix system file corruption that can indirectly block the store.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.